On the 23rd of November, the heart of Africa trembled. A sound like a bomb blast echoed across the barren deserts of Ethiopia. For the first time in 12,000 years, the sleeping giant, Hayli Gubbi volcano, awakened. The eruption was sudden, violent. A towering ash cloud rose 50,000 feet into the sky, so massive, so dark, that even satellites in space could see it clearly. The shockwaves rolled across the land. Cities nearly 190 kilometers away heard the explosion. Across the border in Djibouti, the ground itself shook. Winds carried the ash cloud across continents, first into Oman and Yemen, then drifting across Pakistan and into India. At Delhi airports, flights were grounded, because volcanic ash isn't just dust. It carries shards of rock, glass, and tiny crystals, each one sharp enough to strip an aircraft's windows like sandpaper, and deadly enough to shut down a jet engine in seconds. Across the Middle East, more flights were cancelled. And even now, the ash cloud continues its journey toward China and Myanmar. In Ethiopia's Afdera region, villages 28 kilometers away were blanketed in ash. But there was one relief, one miracle. No lives were lost, because no one lives near Hayli Gubbi. It stands in one of the most hostile environments on Earth, the Danakil Depression, a place where temperatures often cross 50 to 55 degrees Celsius, where the ground lies below sea level, and where rain is almost non-existent. Yet, the Danakil Depression is strangely beautiful, a surreal world painted in neon yellows, greens, and blues, colors born from chemical reactions deep within the Earth. Geologists study it. Tourists photograph it, because beneath this alien landscape, something extraordinary is happening. Millions of years ago, a single supercontinent existed, Pangaea. Over time, it broke into the continents we know today, and now, Africa is repeating history. Beneath the Hayli Gubbi volcano, three tectonic plates meet: the Nubian plate, the Somali plate, and the Arabian plate. These plates are slowly, relentlessly, drifting apart. The crack between Arabia and Africa formed the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden. And today, the African continent is splitting again into two giant landmasses. From the Red Sea down to Mozambique runs a 6,000-kilometer scar, the East African Rift. This fault line will one day divide Africa, creating a new ocean. Not today, not tomorrow, but in 5 to 10 million years. A blink in geological time. The plates pull apart at the speed of 2 to 5 centimeters per year, about as fast as your fingernails grow. Along this rift lie some of Africa's tallest mountains: Kilimanjaro, Kenya, and the fiery Erta Ale with its legendary lava lake. Even Great Lakes, Malawi, Tanganyika, Albert, and Kivu, formed because the land is pulling apart. As the plates continue to move, Africa will see more earthquakes, more volcanoes, more cracks ripping open the earth. In July 2025, the nearby Erta Ale volcano erupted. White smoke rose from Hayli Gubbi months before the explosion. Scientists watched closely. And back in 2005, a massive fissure, 60 kilometers long, appeared in just 10 days. Look at the scale. Human beings look tiny beside this wound in the earth. We are witnessing something rare, something magnificent, a continent breaking apart in real time. The eruption of Hayli Gubbi wasn't just a natural disaster. It was a message from the planet itself, a reminder that the Earth is alive, shifting, changing, and evolving. We are tiny witnesses standing on the surface, watching history unfold beneath our feet. This is the story of the day Ethiopia shook the world, and the day we saw the African continent begin its next chapter.